there's a hole right there on the other side. And so I just took some zip ties. Zip ties are my best friend. Hey guys, welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. We are working on 1 week with our baby chicks. These are the Freedom Rangers. Isaiah's inside with them. And we had 30. We started off with 30. And we lost one. It looked like it got flattened or something. So I don't know what happened. It didn't make it. Sometimes there's just loss. So they're making a mess constantly, and they can't get under the bottom of here. So we are gonna go ahead and try to let the chickens, the baby chicks, out of the little brooder that we have, and then they'll be on grass, and they'll probably be a heck of a lot happier and cleaner, and just be happier all the time. So that is what they are doing. I am a little worried about it being too early, but I think they'll just be so much more happy being out. Yep. So, they're happy. Look at over there in the grass. The grass is taller than they are. Yeah, so they'll probably be here for a while before they really get anything. Hey, your head's in the way. They'll be here for a while. Did you get them all out? Yeah. All right, now take this little brooder out. How? Take all the water out because they're going to need water. Yeah. Let them be. And then lift it. Hey, it's got food in it. You can leave that in there for them. Just don't step on them.
Jaden. They can just jump off the
Easy with that. All right, lift that up. You guys are going to have to work together as a team.
Come on.
You might have to flip it sideways. Come on, Jaden. See, it just gets so dirty.
So dirty.
So dirty.
All right, Jane. Start putting chickens on me.
We did have a little hole in the back. I'll show you what I did there.
They need to eat the cricket. Jane, bring all the chickens over here.
There's a hole right there on the other side. And so I just took some zip ties. Zip ties are my best friend. And zip tied it. And now it's like super tight and they can't get out. It's just a small hole, but they can get out at this size. So Gus is here in the baby chicks. She's coming to check them out.
Hey guys. Hi. Let him in. No. Make him go over to him?
No, make him chirp. Thanks for watching, guys. That's our week 1 update on the Freedom Rangers. So far, only 1 loss. Not too bad. And they're enjoying eating the plants and stuff. Anyways, we will for sure keep you all updated. And thanks for watching.